Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Daniel coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 75 degrees. We are expecting a high of 77 and a low of 65, with rain showers. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Alfonso,
Mia,
Ellie, and Braxton.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports yesterday, the Cubs won against the St. Louis Cardinals with a score of 9-0. The White Sox lost against the Cleveland Indians by a score of 3-2. Music enrichment starts today at lunch. Band and orchestra groups A through J will meet today in the band room. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that gingham is a type of simple, woven cotton or linen cloth? Originally, it had a regular, bright-colored stripe, but later appeared as a checkered or plaid pattern that can range from very small check pattern to a very large checks. In Europe, gingham is associated with the rustic and country style. This is no different in America, where the fabric became famous with cowboys, the Wild West, and the frontier. This country-style wholesome symbolism has made gingham a popular choice for picnic tablecloths, curtains, aprons, and even neckties. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-ups are brought to you by Room 210. Remember, it's Love Your Teacher Tuesday.